Hello everyone, today is 28th August 2022. I am standing next to my crape myrtle plant which is right now blooming this week. Let me take it little closer to you. It is already 7 years, I think, this plant in our zone, which is zone 6. The crape myrtle, what kind of perennial I cannot explain nicely, because the root is alive, but the branches, they are completely dead, and every year new branches comes out from the ground. So when I bought this plant, it had bloom, I means the red color. That's how I knew that the leaves are red, and the blooms are the leaves are like maroon dark color, and the bloom is red, and I like the combination with this leaf and that color. But surprisingly, after I planted the plant, this is the only year I am seeing their bloom. So the past 5 years I did not see blooms. I waited every year, and it is so surprising that this year hardly they are getting rain or water. I watered only few times, which is not enough for them, but somehow I believe the roots have gone deeper enough to produce few blooms. That's why we are able to see the blooms. And I also did not add any fertilizer or anything, so that is also, I can say, they did not get enough nutrients. But anyway, my point is, I waited so many years to see these blooms, and many times I thought maybe I will remove the root also, so that they will not take the space and I can plant something else. But somehow I kept waiting, and I'm so happy to see their blooms. And in the past week there are few more crape myrtle which are blooming. You see these. I planted these after the previous red bloom crape myrtle. I forgot their exact name. This was a long plant already in the pot. It was in a very big pot, but I saw out of 3 plants of the same variety, this plant had this bloom. So making sure that this is the bloom for this plant, I mean this color, I bought this. And this also somehow this plant is blooming every year. So I do not know the exact reason, whether they like the spot or what else, I don't know. I'm just sharing my experience. And then you see these trumpet vine. See how many ants. These are the seed pod of this plant. And this is my crape myrtle. So the blooms are pink. See, let me pull this to show you. This color was supposed to be white when I bought, but this year I see they are pink and I like it. This is my fourth crape myrtle. This is also dark leaf, you can see, and the blooms are pink. And this crape myrtle is also blooming after, you can say, 6 years. I planted this next year of the plant of the red bloom that I showed you first in today's video. 1 year I planted that, and the next year I planted this, and both plants are from Home Depot. So when I bought, they had these blooms, but after that, the past like 4 years, it did not bloom, and then I'm seeing the bloom. So I feel now the root has gone deeper enough to produce blooms. So hope I will see the blooms every year.